Okay, this is a follow-up to our lesson on just the overall structure of the atom and talking about protons, neutrons, and electrons. So just a quick recap on that. Protons and neutrons. These are found within the nucleus. Okay, so the nucleus is the very center of the atom, and the electrons, they are sort of in a what's called a probability cloud outside of the area of the nucleus. Okay, there's a few things now you need to know just generally about atoms and the periodic table. So in a periodic table, we've got different bits of information, and you usually have a key or a legend or something on every periodic table, and you'll have, like, for example, the symbol for potassium will be K. There'll be a little 19 up here, and that would be the atomic number, and maybe some mass amount here is 39. We won't really get into why you see decimal numbers and isotopes and all that in this video. That'll be for later on. So if this is the atomic number, let's put at number, the atomic number, and this is the atomic mass, that along with another few little bits, you actually know quite a bit about that particular element and atom. So the symbol K, that would be for potassium. So often what I'll have is on a test, I'll have a little table here, and it'll be labeled with symbol. Maybe the name, the number of, well, let's say the atomic number, then the number of protons, then the number of neutrons, and then the number of electrons. That along with the atomic mass. Okay, let me move some stuff out of here. Okay, and then we have the atomic mass. Now, I'll have a table, and there'll be usually 3 or 4 of these that you have to do, but let's just do this one for potassium. I'll give you one of the items here, and you have to figure out the rest, but I'll also give you access to a periodic table. So if, for example, I gave you the atomic number of, well, let's do the potassium. So, but you didn't know it was potassium, so I just gave you the atomic number 19. So you went into your periodic table, and then you went and found this atomic number 19. Then you knew the symbol was K, so you write in K there. Then you'd be able to read, because it'll always give the name potassium. Okay, so then you have the name there. You write the name in the table then. So this is just going and retrieving the information. And then you can jump all the way to the end over here and have the atomic mass, which is another thing you can just read off of the periodic table. So the atomic mass here is 39. And what I'd like you to do is just round it to the whole number. So this is 39. All right, so if you know this simply from finding it on the periodic table and reading that information, that combined with another few little bits will get you the rest of these 3 numbers. The atomic number is always the same as the number of protons, so we can put that in there, 19. In an atom, the protons have a positive charge. The electrons have a negative charge. So here the protons can kind of have like a 19 positives. However, the atom itself has no charge overall, so they have to be canceled out by the exact same number of negatives. So there'll be 19 negatives. So there are 19 electrons. Now the overall mass of this thing is made up primarily of the nucleus. So the nucleus is the protons and neutrons put together. So those put together make up the atomic mass of 39. So you end up asking yourself, 19 plus what equals 39? Okay, so that's an easy one. That's going to be 20. All right, so that's how we started off getting the rest of the information, just starting with the atomic number. Now that can be done with virtually any of these, and I will always be giving you enough information plus the periodic table for you to find the rest or deduce the rest of those values. Okay, so on a test you will see a question like this for sure, and probably up to three rows of these to complete, just so I can see for sure you know what you're doing. Okay, good luck.